Hi everyone, today we are back with another video. We will be checking out the Oukitel RT1 rugged Android 11 tablet that has rugged capabilities with its wide and large screen and rugged ratings to handle tough environments. The product packing looks simple and minimalist. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, I will find one Oukitel RT1 tablet, fitted nicely in the product packaging. A user guide is also provided to help users set the device up. A wall charging adapter is included along with a USB-C charging cable so users can recharge up the tablet when the power is low. On first impressions, the tablet looks to be of good quality, solid built and looks pretty tough. Power key at the side of the tablet to allow users to better control and set the volume of the device and power it up and off with the power button. On the other side of the tablet, users can find the dual SIM card slot and DF card slot. The device supports expandable storage of up to 128 GB. Also there is a USB-C charging port at the side, for users to charge up the battery. Are covered with waterproof rubber gaskets to prevent water from seeping in. Good design. The device is solid, good protection against dust, drops and water. Let's get it powered up. Simply press and hold the power button. The boot up logo will light up. Once it boots up and sets up, it will launch into the home page of the device. The interface looks really cool, with a theme that suits the rugged design of the tablet. The device is Android powered, therefore it has the Play Store on it. Users can have access to many different apps and games on it. It has a toolbox feature, where users can use the tools like sound meter or compass for navigation. Let's try running a game on the tablet to see how it fares when a game is played. As you saw, the game runs really smoothly on the RT1 rugged tablet. Some rugged tablets are laggy when games are played, but the RT1 fared pretty decently. The game runs smoothly, and is responsive to my input. I find reading articles on the tablet makes good sense too. With a huge screen, I can read with ease. Zooming in and out further allows me to do my reading with greater accessibility. Let's try out the 16-megapixel camera. Check out the shots I took with the RT1 camera. Shots are clear and decently taken. Image quality is fine. Even under night lighting conditions, the sensor is able to process the image and capture it in rather good quality. There are multiple modes of image capturing on the device, like beauty mode, mono mode and more modes like night mode, slow motion etc. I can capture high definition shots on the device too. Check out. It autofocus when needed too. Videos are of decent quality on the device. It runs on Android 11 that is really smooth and responsive. With Android 11, I can be assured that my device is updated with the latest available apps at the time of filming. It supports 4G network, so on this tablet, I can make calls, send SMS with ease with SIM card accessibility. It acts like a smartphone, just much bigger. Overall, I find the Oukitel RT1 rugged tablet a tablet that offers a good range of product offerings to its users. Looks really modern and slim, making it much more portable and durable. If you want to find out more about the Oukitel RT1 rugged tablet, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.